earbuds that charge your phone. Not a gimmick, not a joke. The Soundcore P41i claims an insane battery life, real active noise cancelling, very big drivers, and a charging case that won't let your phone die. That sounds too practical, that sounds too familiar, so today we're going to slow everything down and take a proper look and figure out if this is a smart product or just another gimmick. Pairing this is very easy. First of all, just open up your case, take out the earbuds if you like, go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone, and it's picked up immediately. Click on it, boom, you are connected. Easy peasy. Alright, time for us to do a quick look through the app. If you're familiar with Soundcore products, I'm very sure by now you should know how to use the app and pair your device with your app. So let's just go straight into it, yes? Now on the app, we've got a battery indicators, we've got the charging indicator, the battery charger, we've got left and right batteries charged. And next we've got the ambient sound, which is noise cancellation, normal, and transparency mode. I'm sure by now we know what these do. Yes? Yeah. So, okay, for newcomers, the noise cancellation, this is the regular active noise cancellation. The normal, this is regular normal effect. And transparency mode brings that outside noise inside, so you can still enjoy your noise cancelling while you know what's going on around you. Good. Under the mode, we've got our vocal modes here. We've got our fully transparent or vocal modes. Here we go. Sound effects. Now this is where you choose what EQs to take. Usually it comes in 22 EQs for you to choose from, or you can just make your own EQ, your own custom EQ. If you don't do that, here they've got the default Soundcore Signature, and here's the Hear ID sound. Now what this does, this prepares the sound to your particular hearing mode. I'll use the word hearing mode because when you set this up, it actually does a little hearing test for you, so it gives you a proper balanced sound for your hearing type. So that's what that does. Immersive experience, for gaming modes and for movie modes. Now I'm guessing the gaming modes has to do with a bit of latency and all that stuff, and movie modes will have to be, for special movie sounds. Controls, fit it the way you want, not difficult to do. Just set it up the way that suits you, what you can remember when it comes to controls. Remember, this is where you are tapping on the controls, right there on the sign. And save volume. This save volume, you can set it to a point where it does not exceed that point. It means if I set it up here, for instance, say I set it up here, for instance, for real time, I set it up here. What will happen is no matter what I do, it will not go above that thing. So you can just limit the volume and then you set it up. So that way you cannot use that the sound. You cannot increase the volume more than what you set. That helps for hearing, for your hearing, helps to protect your hearing, because some people, they go deaf after using these things for some time. So yeah, that's what this sets. Okay. All right, let's go here. Let's see fit test. So now this fit test is what you do when you're trying to see if you're putting on the earbuds properly, in case and all that stuff. And prompt tone, this is sound that comes when either you touch it or when the battery is about to die, stuff like that. Dual connections, this is a multi-point connection, which means you can connect this to two devices at the same time. Right now it's just connected to this one. You can connect a new device. See that? Yeah. Power off and on, you can set it up to turn off or turn on at a particular for a particular duration. Now, why this is important is because sometimes some people forget to turn off the earbuds, or the earbuds don't go off when it's out of the case. It just stays on forever. If you're not using it for a while, it'll be good for it to just turn off after some time. Widget. Okay, that's just a widget on your phone. Device name, you can set it up and all that stuff. So yeah, find the device. This just plays a lot of loud music for, or a sound for. If you're looking for a device, you can go to your phone. If it's still paired, you just do that. Like for instance, this is the loud sound you hear in your ear. It beeps out a loud sound. Hear that? Hear that? That's what happens. Okay, that's about it. Okay, I'll say, if you ask me, I think the app is just fitting all the important things, and everything that's gimmicky and stuff, things that are not necessary. Yeah, those things might make it look cool and all that stuff, but they're not necessary. They're not here. Everything here is good and necessary. Wind reduction, I must have missed this part. This should be good for when you're making phone calls and you're outside and the wind is coming at you. Wind reduction can help. So yeah, I believe everything in here are necessary. Nothing gimmicky in here. So yeah, cool. You need this. All right, let's move on. So for my final verdict, I think the Soundcore P41i is one of the smartest and practical earbuds I have seen in this price range. It is not flashy. It does not promise you luxury, but it is clever and it solves real problems and it sounds great. Now I'm going to leave links in the description. If you decide you want it, please use the link and get them for yourself. Now drop your questions in the comment section. I'll answer anything you have to ask me. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Do not forget to like this video. It's very important for the algorithm. And yeah, join our membership. Is very important that you do, so that we can push this channel to greater heights. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.